Hey y'all, we're gonna pick some corn. Little man's ready. I'm ready. Wifey's coming. She's ready. All right, a lot of corn. Look how beautiful that is, y'all. Hey, little man, you see that? See the corn? Yeah. You got a bunch of corn, huh, buddy? Yeah. All right, let's pick some corn. Say you go right like this. Put that right in. Ain't that like that? Okay. Twist right off when it's ready. See, buddy? We're picking corn out here, y'all. It's a family affair. All right. Put that in there, bud. Getting out a little corn from that good, small little plot there, y'all. All right. We already picked about 15, 20 years, gave away the other day. Probably about 10 a week ago. So here we go, y'all. Our corn harvest. Thanks for coming by. Smash that like, share it out. Oh yeah, all that good stuff. One more look. 100% organic, no sprays, no pesticides, ever, the whole grow. All right, just prayers for rain, that's it. All right, y'all have a great one and see y'all on the next one. All right, we out.